So hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel and magsasolve ulit tayo. So dito naman is decision analysis na utility theory. So nakikita nyo sa screen nyo ngayon yung table and ipapakita ko rin siya sa sinulat ko, which is nandito. Ito yung table natin. So ayan, ito. Ayan. So sa utility theory, hanapin muna natin, ang gagawin natin dito is hanapin natin kung sino yung risk seeker, risk avoider, and indifferent. Para makuha yun, ipa-plot natin siya using itong table. So, itong payoff, kagawin natin dito sa x-axis. While sa y-axis, itong mga probabilities. So, pag plinat natin, ito yung lalabas. So, itong nasa taas is yung McDolibee, sa gitna is yung Mang Inasar, and sa baba is yung Jumbo Dog. So, anong meaning yan? So, sa taas, meaning nito is risk avoider. So, nag-a-avoid yung McDolibee. And sa gitna naman is indifferent. So, Mang Inasar is indifferent. And sa baba is risk seeker, which is yung Jumbo Dog. So, yan. Ito naman is each company has 3 options. So, may balak silang gawin para sa company nila. And ang options na yun is, una is to launch new menu item wherein magiging sila ng $12,000 if successful and mag-lose ng $10,000 if failure. Then, kapag nag-expand naman sila ng store branch, magiging sila ng $6,000 kung successful and maglo-lose ng $5,000 if failure. Then, kapag wala naman sila do nothing, no gain or loss. So, the probability of the market is 55% and the probability of failure is 45%. What is the decision based on expected monetary value, EVM, and what is the decision of each company based on expected utility value? So, here, as you can see, nandito na ulit yung mga nakita ba? Sana nakikita. Ito, pag nag-invest, meron siyang launch na yung item na 12,000. And kapag failure, minus 10. Then, expand the store branch, meron 6. And negative 5 kapag nag-fail. And do nothing. And meron tayong probability na 0.55 and 0.45. Kapag sinolve natin yung EVM nito, 12 times 0.55 plus negative 10 times 145 is equals to 2.1. And dito naman sa expand is lalabas is 1.05 and do nothing is 0. So, between 2.1 and 1.05, ang my max value is 2.1. So, ang decision ng lahat ng companies is mag-launch ng new item and expect a payoff of $2,100. Ayun yung decision nila kapag ginamit yung EVM. Pero paano naman yung tigi-isang decision nila gamit yung EUV? So, sa pagkuha ng EUV, dito tayo muna sa Mang Inasar. So, yung 0.55 times 1 plus 0.45 times 0. So, saan galing tong 1 and 0? Galing siya doon sa utility distribution kanina dito sa table na to. So, ito kapag nag-launch, so, meron 10 na 1 here. And kapag nag-fail naman is 0. So, ayun yung 1 and 0. And dito naman sa baba is 0.8 and 0.3 kapag nag-expand. So, dito yan galing kapag ito. Pag positive, 0.8, or successful rather is 0.8, kapag failure is 0.3. So, ayan yan. 0.8 and 0.3. So, dito naman sa do nothing is 0.55 times 0.55 plus 0.45 times 0.45. Saan galing itong parehong point? Saan galing itong parehong 0.55? Dito yan sa 0. Ayan, 0.55 na do nothing. So, ang highest EUV sa Mang Inasar is 0.58 dito, which is mag-expand, and ang decision niya is to expand the store branch at an EUV of 58%. Then sa McDolibee naman, so kapag sinolve natin yan, nalalabas is 0.6, 0.63 and 0.06 ulit. So pinakamataas is 0.63. So decision niya is expand a store branch at an expected utility value of 65%. Then dito naman sa Jumbo Dog, ang decision naman niya is to launch a new item at an expected utility value of 55%. So, iba-iba sila ng decision kapag EUV na yung hinahanap. So, ang sagot dun sa tanong natin kanina, using the EVM of each of the three companies, the three companies has the same decision, but using the EUV, each has different decisions. In this case, Jumbo Dog will launch new item, while Mang Inasar and McDolibee will both expand a store branch. And that's all. Thank you.